Alright, yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Criimzy, and I'm back for another video. Look, um, so we're just not going to talk about it. I recorded this video already, but had all the wrong settings. But anyway, I built myself my own custom keyboard. You feel me? I'm finally getting rid of this shitty ass Razer Huntsman Mini. I'm finally getting rid of it. I got myself a TKO. This is a what the fuck is it? This is a Keychron C1. That's what it is. That's what it is. My brain was working. My brain's working today. But you know, a Keychron C1 with Echo Jelly Black switches and some random ass Japanese all black with white lettering, you know, font keycaps. There it is. There's the name that I could find on Amazon. This whole thing together is like less than $200. If I remember correctly, I got the Echo switches like pre-lubed and shit like that. That was $20, and you got like 45 for 20. So I just got 2 of those. So you feel me? I got like 90 switches for like $40. The keycaps were like $25, and then the case itself, the whole goddamn keyboard itself was like, I think it was 50. So yeah, this is like the most budget keyboard you can get. That's like, oh my god, it's so good. Just listen to it. Don't even say nothing. Shut up. Look, just listen. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. For the price, it's not horrible at all. The spacebar could be a little quieter, but it's a spacebar. What do you want from me? It's the biggest goddamn switch on the entire fucking thing. It's gonna be loud as shit. But hey, overall, for literally less than $150. See, I ain't do the math. I have no clue. But like, y'all do the math, whatever. It'd probably be in the title. But for less than $200, this is not bad at all. And it's also my first build. You know, totally not missing one screw, but we don't worry about that. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video, whenever and whatever the hell that is, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.